Hey guys, I'm Asherita from Colombia and I'm a real Pokemon master. But the Pokemon I study are birds, amazing creatures with incredible powers. In this class, I'm going to tell you all about these bird Pokemons, how they evolved from dinosaurs, what makes them so different from other animals, and how their feathers make them truly unique. We will also dive into how birds are grouped in the animal world, something called taxonomy, and so much more. By the end, you will be an amazing Pokemon master too, with all the knowledge to understand our real-life Pokemons. So come and join me in this fun class, and let's have an adventure learning about the awesome world of birds together. See you here!